If you're a busy parent who wants to work out but feels stuck and overwhelmed, start here. This is a beginner at home body squat tutorial. No equipment needed. I'll show you simple cues so you can get up and start moving today. Before we get into form, let me explain to you why squats matter, especially as a busy parent. Your legs are your base. Stronger legs make life easier. From going upstairs, carrying your kids, getting up off the floor, the couch, the toilet, yard work, long work shifts, things you have to do from day to day. Your quads and your glutes are some of the biggest muscles in your body. By training them, you help increase your overall calorie burn, especially when you pair them with good habits and consistency. It helps support your knees, your legs, and your lower back. These basic body weight squats will help you build a strong foundation over time. And as you get stronger, the techniques you learn today, you can carry them over to harder body weight squats and or squats with weights if you choose to go that route. Let's break it down the simple way. So let's start with our feet and work our way up. With your feet, you're going to want to start with them about shoulder width apart. Some of you may have to go wider depending on your unique anatomy. But the main takeaway here is that your toes need to be turned slightly out. You don't want them straight or extremely pointed to the side. Also, you want your whole foot to be in contact with the ground, something that I learned from Squat University. Think tripod foot, heel, big toe, pinky toe, all need to be touching the ground. This helps with balance, power, and control. Next, your knees. This is probably going to be the most important squat cue, especially for beginners. As you squat, your knees must push outward as you go down and as you come back up. Do not let them cave inward. Knees caving in puts unnecessary stress on your joints, which can lead to serious injury. Now your hips. There's a very subtle difference here, but in that first clip, I am just dropping straight down. Yes, I'm pushing my knees outward, but now my heels are lifting up off the floor. Instead, think about sitting back first, then down, kind of like you're sitting down on a chair behind you. This helps shift the work to your glutes. Yes, this will require some getting used to as you work on your balance and coordination. Now let's talk about depth. I prefer ass to grass just because you're getting a wider range of motion. However, if you can't squat deep comfortably, then squatting to about parallel is perfectly fine. Everyone's hips are built differently. You may have to experiment with different feet placement, but if you're just starting out, easing back into workout, or have an injury, you can try using a sturdy bench, chair, or plyo box for support. Now your core. A tip I learned from Squat University, instead of just focusing on bracing your soon-to-be six-pack abs, you're also going to want to brace outward laterally. A simple way to feel it is to have someone poke you in the stomach and the sides. You should have all sides firm up evenly. Don't suck in, don't over arc your back, just brace enough to support your spine and stay balanced. Keep your chest tall, shoulders down and back, not shrugged. Keep your head and neck neutral like you're standing tall, and pick a spot straight ahead and let your eyes just stay there. If your chest starts collapsing, slow it down and reset. And lastly, your breathing. Take a deep breath at the top and brace your core. Hold it briefly as you go down, then exhale naturally as you stand back up, keeping your core tight the entire time. More advanced lifters may hold their breath longer, but for beginners, I don't want you guys to strain yourselves. This is controlled breathing. Avoid these common mistakes. Knees collapsing inward. If you still haven't developed a muscle memory for this, your knees are going to want to buckle in. You have to actively remind yourself to drive your knees out. Losing contact with your whole foot. So if either your heels or your toes are lifting up, this is just an indication that you need to reset and regain your balance. Dropping straight down without sitting back. Hips should sit back and down. Chest collapsing or torso folding forward. If this happens, slow the rep and reset. Stay tall and controlled. Rushing the bottom of the squat. Move with control, no bouncing or crashing. Fixing even one of these usually makes squats feel smoother, stronger, and more comfortable right away. Now on to leveling up. Once you got the basic body squat down, you can try the jump squat. Focus on soft, controlled landings. 180-degree jump squats. This adds coordination and power. Elevated or box jumps. Jump up onto an elevated surface and step down carefully. Quick question for you guys. What's your favorite at-home leg exercise with zero equipment? Drop it in the comments below. I'm always looking for new ideas. Once you get comfortable with the basics, squats stop feeling awkward. They start feeling strong and controlled. If you're ready to put this into action, join me in my 15-minute follow-along workout and build real strength with me. This is Introverted Fitness Dad, Busy Dad Strength, Function Over Fashion. See you in the workout.